Hello, today we are going to start a new series, that is we are going to start a JavaScript series. Here I will discuss from very basic to advanced level, right? So before starting with JavaScript, we need to know something about JavaScript, like what is JavaScript, why this JavaScript important, what is the prerequisites, and some popular frameworks, right? So basically, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language, right? So that is primarily used to create interactive web pages and web application, right? It is a client-side scripting language that runs on a web browser and is used to add dynamic and interactive elements of web page. Like we have used HTML, CSS, we only can create a static web pages. Using JavaScript, we can make dynamic web pages. That means we can implement JavaScript logically, right? And why we use means what is the importance. Actually, JavaScript is a powerful and versatile language that can be used for a wide variety of purpose beyond just the web development. Now you can create a server-side programming language. If you want to create any desktop application, you can create using JavaScript, and it's very using to create any game, right? So for game development purpose, we can use JavaScript, and there are lots of things we understand day by day, right? Actually, it is the most widely used language for web development purpose. Every website, if you check, you can understand there is JavaScript, right? And it makes very essential skill for any developer. So if you are looking for a career on web development, the JavaScript is a key. It helps you become a more well-rounded programmer and can open up new career opportunity, right? So now the prerequisites means what should you know before starting JavaScript, right? Not much thing. If you have basic understanding of HTML and CSS, you can start JavaScript easily. If you have no knowledge about HTML and CSS, I will guide you. I will start from very basic and I will discuss HTML and CSS which are related to JavaScript practice, right? So why we use this, and actually the thing is JavaScript is absolutely free and it's already installed into your any browser, like if you are using Chrome, if you are using Firefox, if you are using Safari, Internet Explorer, all type of browser supports JavaScript and it's already downloaded. You don't need to download for your own, right? And you can develop JavaScript program with a simple editor. Means if you are using Notepad, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, Sublime, text editor, any text editor, you can use this, and you don't need any server to run this. You can just write your code inside the any editor and you can run into your any browser. That's very simple. Nowadays there are lots of popular JavaScript framework, if you check in the internet, you can understand there is the most popular things like Angular, Node.js, React, Vue. There are lots of JavaScript frameworks actually dominating the web development sectors, right? So I already published Angular and Vue.js tutorial into my playlist. So if you want, you can check. It will help you, I think, right? And these are the basic introduction part, and from the next video we're going to start deeply with each and every topic, like variables, data types, operator string, arrays, how to use any conditional statement, how to create an if else, switch case, loop function, even object, and many more things. So we will discuss each and everything. I hope it will create about 50 to 60 tutorials. I will create a small tutorial for each topic for understanding better, and comment me how you will like this, and please subscribe this channel for upcoming video and comment your opinion what should be the topic and what topic need to cover. So please like this video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.